It is possible in Leon to create quotations based on different price lists for different clients. In this video, we will focus on the price list setup. In menu sales quotations price list, we can define the price list basing on different aircraft and create separate ones for brokers and individual clients. First of all, we need to select an aircraft from the list on the left. Well, let's stay with this one. And now we can start creating the initial default price list. The field discount is not mandatory and we wouldn't use it for a default price list, but when creating a specified one, we can input the percentage rate of discount starting from which hour of the flight the discount is calculated. We can do that on another price list. In here we create details for specific airports. First of all, we need to create a default pricing for all the airports not mentioned on the list. That means when we create a quotation using this price list but select a different airport than the one listed on here, the price will be taken from this row that we are filling in now. To add another one, just click the green arrow and in here we enter the airport code. Both IATA and ICAO codes are acceptable. We can also set the default currency for this pricing, but when we create an actual quotation, these currencies can be modified. Okay, once we are done and happy with the price list, we can click Save. Or additionally, we can save this pricing to all the aircraft of the same type. Now that we have the default price list, we can create a new one by copying this one and editing the details. In order to do so, firstly we need to name the other price list. For example, if it's for a specific client, we can have it client X and click copy this price list to the new one. So now you can see we are editing the client X price list, but if we click on the drop down, we will have the default one as well. So we can set some different prices, for example, and now we can add, for example, a 5% discount from the second hour of the flight with passengers. Okay, we can leave the airport details the same and just click Save. The button Delete will remove this particular price list. Okay, so this is the very basic price list you can set up in Leon. It is also possible to have one with extended airport options, and it looks like that. Here we see the additional options of handling, fuel, departure fee and free parking in hours. There's also an option try to get actual fuel prices for quotations, which means the fuel prices won't be taken from this pricing, they will be taken from fuel providers uploaded in the files in the system. So once the price list setup is done, the price list will be automatically selected when we create a quotation. But we will go through that in detail in the next video covering the sales module. Okay, so that's it for the price list. If you have any questions, please use our online manual or contact our support team.